In today's video, I will walk you through how to read financial news on investing.com. Investing.com features a dedicated news section that keeps you informed about the latest developments in global financial markets. Whether you're interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, or the broader economy, the platform makes it easy to access timely news and market updates. To find the data, head to investing.com and click on the News tab at the top. You'll see a continuous feed updated in real time. To cut through general commentary, use the submenus to narrow down your focus. Earnings. Track immediate EPS and revenue beats or misses as they drop. Economic and central banks. Monitor macro reports like CPI, employment data, and Fed rate statements. Stocks. Filter news specifically by ticker to track single stock catalysts. When reading an article, pay close attention to the metadata right at the top, specifically the exact timestamp and wire source, like Reuters or Bloomberg. Notice how investing.com embeds clickable ticker symbols directly into the text. Clicking a tagged asset, like Apple or crude oil, instantly pulls up its live quote box and chart, letting you cross-reference breaking news with immediate price action without losing your place. If you want to stay informed throughout the day, revisit the news section regularly. News stories are published as market events unfold, so checking the latest headlines can help you keep up with changing market conditions and important announcements. You can also combine the news section with other investing.com tools, such as price charts, watch lists, and economic calendars, to gain additional context while following financial events. Using these features together can make it easier to understand how market news connects with ongoing price movements. And that's how to read financial news on investing.com.